Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. Today I will be teaching you about do-while loops in Java. In my while loops video, I made a guessing game. In this video, I will do the same thing while telling you the differences. You can see that the user has to enter a number. When we enter a number, it tells the user if it's too high or too low, and then it reruns the program until you guess the right number. I have created a new Java project in Eclipse and done three things. First, I have imported the scanner class, then I have made the class, and then I have declared the main method. Now the first thing I will do is initialize the scanner object. To do that, write scanner input equals new scanner parentheses system dot in semicolon. For this guessing game, we need two variables, int guess and int answer, and make sure that you assign values to these variables. Guess will remain 0 because it does not have any value. You can choose any value for the answer. I will choose 5. Now we will make a do-while loop. A do-while loop syntax looks something like this. You write the keyword do, put curly brackets, and after the last curly bracket you write while, and then in the parentheses you write your condition and semicolon. To show you the difference between a while loop and a do-while loop, here I will make a while loop. To do that, write keyword while, parentheses, and those curly brackets. The do-while loop will run once, no matter if the condition is true or false. Only if this condition is true, the do-while loop will run again. But the difference with the while loop is it will check the condition first. If the condition is true, this loop will run. If this condition is false, the loop will not even run once. Now let's take this out and put our condition inside these parentheses. We want this loop to run again if the guess is not equal to the answer. Between these curly brackets, we'll write the code we want to rerun. So first, I will ask the user to enter a number between 1 and 10. To do that, write system.out.println, enter a number between 1 and 10, and semicolon. Then we need to give the user a text box to enter their guess. To do that, write guess equals input dot next int parentheses semicolon. To compare the guess and the answer, we will use if statements. To do that, write if guess is greater than the answer, and then go outside curly brackets. We want to print that your guess is too high. Write system.out.println, your guess is too high, and semicolon. If the guess is lower than the answer, then we want to print your guess is too low. To do that, write else if parentheses and curly brackets. Between those parentheses, write guess is lower than the answer, and print the same statement except your guess is too low. Remember that this loop will run once, no matter if the guess is equal or not to the answer, but when the guess is equal to the answer, the loop will break, and when it comes out of the loop, we want to print that your guess is correct. To do that, write system.out.println parentheses quotation you guessed correct, and semicolon. Save your program and run. In the console, you can see that the program asks the user to enter a number. Let's try entering a lower number. Since we know the answer is 5, let's try 2. It tells me that the guess is too low and reruns the program. Let's enter a number that's too high, so 9. And if I click enter, it tells me it's too high and runs again. But when I guess correct, the correct answer is 5, it tells me that the guess is correct and does not run the program again. To add a level of difficulty, I will change the answer to a random number. To do that, I will write int, so I get an integer value, parentheses, math.random, parentheses, and Multiply this by 10 and add 1. I have made a separate tutorial about random numbers. Save your program and run again. Now even you won't know the answer. Try guessing the number. So 3 tells me it's too low. Try a really high number. 8. Again too low. Maybe 9? Yes, your guess is correct. So even I didn't know the answer, and this makes the game more fun.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.